Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Oldie Hong, Ordinary Korean Husband. Today is a very happy day because my wife came back from her parents' house and celebrating 20 subscribers. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much, my people. And I got 2 comments from my last video. So, thank you again. Yes. And one of the comments, he said, he or I don't know, person said, please keep making a video about developer, how I become a developer. So today I decided to make a video again, even though today I did hard work because some part-time job kind of, something carried a lot. Something did, and then I came back now home, but I'm not tired because I got 2 comments and I have more than 20 subscribers. Anyway, yes. Okay, continue to make a video how I become a developer. I want to talk about my first 6 months of learning to code. Yes. And anyway, today was a really rainy day. Heavy rain actually. So anyway, continuing from yesterday, I want to share what I studied to become a developer. I started with Java, Java language, not JavaScript, Java. And I learned with Java running about data type, classes, loop, and how to have fun with code. So at first I used the loop to repeat, make a star, 1 diamond, and circles things. And then at the time, I remember it's around more than 3 years ago, I think. I remember when I tried to make a star by loop, I couldn't succeed, and then maybe 2 days, whole night I didn't sleep and try to make a star because at the time I didn't want to watch the Google, watch the internet how to solve this problem, and I didn't want to see the Stack Overflow. And then at the time also there was no any kind of Git Copilot and ChatGPT, such things. But of course, such Google it, and then maybe 5 minutes I could solve this problem. But I didn't want. I just watched it 2 days, whole night, and then finally I succeed. At the time, I cannot forget at that moment. And then I went to the toilet. Directly, I did vomit. Yes, I remember. Yes, I don't know why, but maybe I couldn't sleep, that's why. Anyway, I succeeded that, and then I made a circle, and everything goes well after that. So, then I learned about classes and made a simple script-based game. Some story came showing, and then put 1 or 2, and then make another history and story. So for example, which job you want to pick, like a soldier or warrior, wizard or thief, such a thing, and then from this making another stories, this text-based game. At the time I made about traveling kind of RPG game, level, and some freshmen traveled Russia because my major was Russian. So yes, I think there's a victory flame or many Russia things, topics inside the game. It was very interesting, and then I made this and I introduced about my game to my friends who hired me because at the time I didn't have a job. my friend who has a cafe, he hired me, and I think fortunately that time in the cafe there were very few. There was no customer, so I just sitting and made my game, or I studied coding, and I introduced it to my friends about my game, and yeah, he said it was not bad. Yeah, I remember. Okay. After that, I used the Java to build an Android app. Nowadays Android app people usually using Kotlin, but still Java also many people using Java language. So at the time I built an Android app by using a Java language. So yes, at that time the law of attraction and the secret, the secret book, if you imagine motivation a lot, his dream come true. These things. At that time in Korea, it was very famous. So I made an app that acted like a vision board where you could set goals and count how many times you repeat or thought about them. I remember repeating my goal of becoming a developer more than 100 times, I think, a day. So now, and here I am, a successful developer. Even though now freelancer. Anyway, the fact is I became a developer. Yes, non-technical base, but I became a developer. Yes, it's good. I think it works. Yes. So next, after making a Android app, I studied PHP and naturally learned about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create websites. I made a membership website for my friend's shop. At the time, I didn't know in the YouTube there are a lot of tutorials to make a website. I didn't know that, so I just from the beginning watched the documents, PHP, how to make, HTML, CSS, how to use, and then I made a website for him. But unfortunately, he didn't use it. Anyway, I made it for him. So at that time, I also using MySQL for the database because there was several types of database. Kind of MySQL is the same, almost same thing. MariaDB and NoSQL base, but I think I wanted to learn about RDBMS, yes, relation database, blah blah blah. So I choose the MySQL, and using MySQL Workbench, I use the database and just a flat query using writing query and using the database by PHP and client side. So it was a lot of fun because I was studying and working part-time at my friend's cafe. It was very happy there, I think. Yes, and in the first 6 months of studying developments, I learned and created a lot, I think. It was very fun. And later on, I started using AWS to make more practical apps and services. And I explored various fields like blockchain and AI, vision. Technology has no end. Yes? So today I talked about what I studied and created in my 6 months, my first 6 months of learning development. To summarize, I learned development concept with Java, built an Android app with Java, and got into backend development using PHP and MySQL. In the next video, I will talk about what I studied next. I think it will take a two, three more video to cover everything. If you're interested, I will prepare and upload more videos soon. And please comment and subscribe my channel. Yes, today's video is done. Yes, it's something something also. Yes, I don't know. Anyway, my developer story is not very easy, but not boring. Always has a fun, and sometimes have a pain. But someone said the pain always have a reason and purpose. So, yes, today's video is done. Okay, thank you for my more than 20, now I think 22 subscribers, and my future subscribers who watch this video, and someone prepared to be a developer. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, like, alarm, and comments if you want to say something or ask something. Thank you. Bye bye.